Good day, children. Sai Ram. Today, in Active English, we are going to start with a new chapter. That is chapter number 25 and 26. We are going to do these chapters together because the content in this chapter is the same. Both the chapter, the content is the same. So, we are going to do this chapter together. Okay? So, let us start. Now, children, tell me, what is this? Walking. What is this? Walking. Next one. What is this? Running. Crying. Okay. Next. Smiling. Okay. Next. Eating. What is this? Swimming. Okay. Next. What is this? Writing. What is this? Drinking. Okay. And what is this? Playing. Okay. So, what do these words tell us? Walking, running, crying, smiling, eating, swimming, writing, drinking, playing. What do these words tell us? Yes, they tell us what action the person is doing. Okay, so these are the action words or the doing words. So today we are going to learn to use the action words or the doing words in sentences by looking at the picture. Okay, so let us start, children. I'll give different examples. Now, just look at the picture. Now, what is she doing? What is she doing? Eating. Okay, what is she doing? Eating. Now, this eating is a action word. So, she is doing the action of, she is eating something. Okay, so eating is the action word or the doing word. Now, this word you are going to use in the sentence. Okay, now what is she doing? Will you say only eating? No, you are going to say in the full sentence. She is eating. What is she doing? She is eating. So, you will answer in full sentence, not in one word. Okay? Look at the next picture. Now, what is he doing? What is he doing? Let us see what is he doing. Painting. What is he doing? He is painting. So, we are going to use the painting word in the sentence. He is painting. What is he doing? He is painting. So, painting is also an action word or the doing word. So, we use this word painting in a sentence. That is, he is painting. Now, look at the next picture. What is he doing? What is he doing? Crying. Crying, no? So, use this crying in a sentence. So, how will you answer? What is he doing? Yes, he is crying. So, we had used this crying action word in a sentence. He is crying. He is a boy. So, we will say he is crying. Next one. Now, let's look at this picture. What is she doing? Now, here we are using what is she doing because she is a girl. Now, what is she doing? Let us see. She is smiling. Okay. So, sentence is she is smiling. So we use this action word smiling in a sentence. She is smiling. Okay? Move to the next one. Now what is he doing? What is he doing? Let us see. Which is the action word here? Playing. So what is he doing? Playing. So playing you are going to use in the sentence. So how will you say? He is playing. What is he doing? He is playing. Okay. The next one. Look at the next picture. Here. What are they doing? Now here also we are used what are they doing. Why are we using what are they doing? Because there are many boys. There are many boys. So we are using what are they doing. In the first picture, what did we use? What is he doing? Why did we use he? Because there is only one boy. And the answer is he is playing. Now here, what are they doing? There are many boys. So what are they doing? Playing. So use playing word in the sentence using they. Okay. So what are they doing? Yes, they are playing. They are playing. What are they doing? They are playing. First sentence only one boy is there in the picture. So we had asked what is he doing? And the answer is he is playing. Second picture there are many boys. So what are they doing? And the sentence will be they are playing. Okay. Next picture. Now look at the picture again. Now see, we can see two girls. What are they doing? Now here also what is used? What are they doing? Here there are how many girls? Two girls. Okay. So we had used they. What are they doing? Let us see the action. What action they are doing? Singing. Okay. What are they doing? Singing. So use singing in the sentence. Yes. They are singing. They are singing. Okay. They are singing. What are they doing? They are singing. Look at the next picture. Here. What is she doing? What is she doing? Now why we are using she here? Because she is only one. Okay. Only one person. So what is she doing? Let us see what action she is doing. Reading. Okay. What is she doing? Reading. So use this reading in the sentence. Yes. She is reading. She is reading. What is she doing? She is reading. Okay. Now you see the next picture. Now look at this picture. What is she doing? Now what action is she doing? What is she doing? What is the action she is doing? Dancing. What action she is doing? Dancing. So use this dancing in the sentence. Yes. She is dancing. She is dancing. What is she doing? She is dancing. Move to the next one. Here we can see two girls. So what is the question? What are they doing? What are they doing? So we'll see what action they are doing. Walking. What are they doing? Walking. So I will use this walking in the sentence. They are walking. They are walking. Okay. What are they doing? They are walking. Understood? So children, we have learnt to use the action words in sentence by looking at the picture. Okay? So you understood now how to use these action words in the sentence. Okay? Now we are going to start with the workbook activity. We are going to start with the workbook activity. You'll take your Active English workbook, pencil, eraser and open page number 38 of chapter 25. Page number 38. First we are going to write the answers of chapter 25 and then we will write the answers of chapter 26. So what you are going to do? You are going to take page number 38. At the top you will write today's date. Today's date on page number 38. That is chapter number 25. Write today's date and then we will start. Okay? So let us start with the workbook activity. All are going to write in a good handwriting. I don't want any mistakes. Neat work it should be. So at the top you are going to write. See chapter 25 you can see. Beside that you are going to write today's date. Okay. Now see the first one. Walking. The word is walking. What action this boy is doing? He is walking. So the sentence is he is walking. So this first and second one is already done for you. Just we will read. Now see number 2. What action the girl is doing? She is, that is running. What action is she doing? Running. So what is the sentence? She is running. First one is he is walking. Second one is she is running. Now see number 3. Okay. See number 3. What is there? What action that boy is doing? Crying. Okay. So we are going to make sentence on crying. The action word is crying. So what will you write here? Dash is dash. So who is crying? He is crying. So he is crying. So write the answer children. He is crying. Over? Did you finish? Good. Now we will go to the next question. Number 4. Number 4. Now see what action this girl is doing. Smiling. Okay. What action she is doing? Smiling. Now use this smiling word in the sentence. What will be the sentence? She is smiling. Very good. She is smiling. Okay. Write fast. Be quick. Very good. Now, next number 5. Now, there's one boy and a girl. So, they are 2 persons. So, what action they are doing? They are sitting down. Okay. Sitting. The action is sitting down. So, what we are going to use? Are we going to use he or are you going to use she? No. We are going to use they. Why we are going to use they? Because they are 2 persons. One is boy and one is girl. So we are using they. So they are sitting down. They are sitting down. So number 5 is sitting down. What is the action word? Sitting down. So what sentence you write for that? They are sitting down. Okay. We'll go to the next one. Number 6. Okay. Number 6. What action these boys are doing? Here also there are 2 boys. Okay. So what action? Standing up. What is the action done by these boys? Standing up. Okay. So they are standing up. They are standing up. So you have to use standing up in the sentence. they are standing up. Okay. Number 4, she is smiling. Number 5, they are sitting down. Number 6, they are standing up. So children, you have to write these sentences, these answers in your active English workbook. Write in a good handwriting. Okay. Shall we go to the next one? Okay. Now here we have finished chapter 25. Now we are going to start with chapter 26. That is page number 39. On this page also you are going to write today's date. Okay. Now here question plus answer. Okay. Now look at the action. What does boy is doing? What action he is doing? Swimming. What action he is doing? Swimming. So what is he doing? So what is the question? What is he doing? So how are you going to write the answer? Yes, you have to use the swimming word in the sentence. Yes. He is swimming. He is swimming. Here we are using he. Why we are using he? Because it's one boy. Okay. So one person. So we are using he. He is swimming. Okay. Right. Write the answer. Next, number 2. What action this girl is doing? Sleeping. What action she is doing? Sleeping. So, what is the question first? You have to frame question first. So, what are we going to write? What are they doing? Or are we going to write what is she doing? Yes, we write what is she doing because she is only one girl. Okay, only one person. So, we'll use what is she doing. So, what will be the answer? She is sleeping. She is sleeping. What is she doing? She is sleeping. Then question number 3. Question number 3. What action are they doing? Now here there are 2 men. Okay. What are they doing? What are they doing? Working. What action they are doing? Working. So what question will you write? What are they doing? Here we are using they. Why? Because there are 2 persons. That's why using what are they doing? What will be the answer? Yes, they are working. They are working. What are they doing? They are working. First one is, what is he doing? Answer is, he is swimming. Second one, what is she doing? Question is, what is she doing? And the answer is, she is sleeping. Number 3, question is, what are they doing? And the answer is, they are working. Okay? Did you finish writing? Very good. Now we'll go to the next question. Next question. Number 4. Number 4. See, what is this boy doing? What action he is doing? Drinking. What action he is doing? Drinking. So what question will you write first? Tell me. Yes. What is he doing? What is he doing? Okay. What will the answer? He is drinking. Answer will be he is drinking. He is drinking. What is he doing? He is drinking. Number 5. Now see this one girl and one boy. So they are 2. Two persons. What action they are doing? They are eating something, no? Eating. So first tell me, what sentence will you write here? What question will you write here? What are they doing? What are they doing? What will be the answer? Yes, they are eating. They are eating. Question is, what are they doing? Answer is, they are eating. Okay. Next, number 6. Number 6. Now see, there is one boy. What action he is doing? Writing. What action he is doing? Writing. So first you have to frame sentence. So what is the first you have to frame the question. Okay. So what will be the question for this picture? Yes. What is he doing? What is he doing? So what will be the answer? He is writing. He is writing. Okay. So number 4 is, question is, what is he doing? Answer is, he is drinking. Number 5, question is, what are they doing? And the answer is, they are eating. Number 6, question, what is he doing? And the answer is, he is writing. Okay. So children, we have ended with our today's session. Okay. So what you are going to do? This workbook activity, all the question plus answers you are going to write in your Active English workbook in a good handwriting. Okay. And the same questions and answers you are going to copy in your rough notebook. Okay. Question plus answer you are going to write in your rough notebook also. That is your homework. Okay. So children, we are going to meet in the next session. Okay, with the new chapter. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.